Hello, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency, and today we're at 19 Ann Street on the Range. This incredibly family-friendly home is our newest listing, and I can't wait to show you through. We've got incredible character on offer, like these tongue and groove walls and timber floors. But what I love most about this home is its incredible location. Just down the road from the Rockhampton Gardens, Zoo, Golf Club, and the base hospital, this home is supremely located. Set on an amazing 911 square metre block, in-ground swimming pool, not one but two sheds. This is a wonderful home. If our team can help you own it, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.